Tired of contact chaos turning your customer interactions into a confusing mess? Let's dive into Wati and get those contacts streamlined for targeted communication, boosting your engagement in just a few steps. First, navigate to the Contacts section on your Wati dashboard. It's usually found on the left-hand side menu, clearly labeled for easy access. Now, click on the prominent Add Contact button. This will open a form where you can enter the details of your new contact. Here, you'll fill in the contact's information. Start with their name and, most importantly, their phone number. Ensure you include the correct country code for seamless WhatsApp communication. Wati also allows you to add custom fields, which is fantastic for segmenting your contacts. Think of things like industry, customer type, or any other relevant detail that helps you personalize your messaging. Next, leverage tags. Tags are powerful for organization. You can add existing tags or create new ones to categorize your contacts based on their interests, purchase history, or engagement level. Add your contacts to specific lists. Lists help you group contacts for targeted campaigns. For example, you might have a list for marketing promotions and another for sales follow-ups. Finally, double-check all the information and click the Save button. Congratulations, you've just added a contact to Wati. You can now start interacting with them through WhatsApp directly from the platform. By utilizing these features, you can effectively store and organize your contacts within Wati, leading to more efficient workflows and personalized communication.